What's up guys, B-Rob here, and I'm going to do an update review on this BodyTech Whey Tech Pro 24. I'll be right back. Alright, here I have the BodyTech Whey Tech Pro 24. This happens to be the birthday cake flavor, and about 4 years ago from the filming of this video, I did my first review on the BodyTech Whey Tech Pro 4, and you can find that video. I'll post it right here, so it should pop up right here. You can click on and go watch that initial video. So my intent for this is for this to be an update video, because I still use this. As you can tell, I have it, and see, it's been used, so I still use this. And as I was making a protein shake with this one day, I decided I had that idea that I would come back and make an update video, since it's been about 4 years since my last one. So just some of the things that I do like about this one. And before I go any further, I do want to give you a little disclaimer. So my review of this product is not my recommendation for you to go out and try it. It's just me sharing my experiences. So my recommendation is for you to strive to eat as natural as you can. But if you decide that you want to take supplements like this protein powder, please consult with your doctor to make sure you're healthy enough to do that. And if you do decide to take them, please go ahead and follow the label, because they put it on here for a reason. And so now that I got that out of the way, let's get back to this review. So like I was just saying, I wanted to make a update video on this so I can let you know that this is still good. I still like it. And some of the things that I do like about it is that I like the fact that it actually has glutamine in it. So when you look at all the ingredients here, the last one is glutamine. And so glutamine is one of those things, it's one of my favorite types of supplements. It's good for cell production and to keep cells healthy and things like that. So I like glutamine, and I'm glad to see that they have it in here. Another thing that I like about this is, and I'll go ahead and give you my 3 best qualities. And before I do that, let me show you one more time what it looks like. It mixes pretty well. This is what the scooper looks like. So that's a scoopful right there. And with the birthday, I don't know if you can see it, but with the birthday cake flavor, it actually has little sprinkles in it. So you can see little red, blue sprinkles, little red, blue, orange sprinkles in it. So it's pretty cool, gives the effect of the birthday cake, and the taste is delicious. So one of the best qualities, I just go ahead and say the taste is delicious. Another best quality is it has the glutamine in it, and I like the fact, the third is, I like the fact that it has branched chain and essential amino acids. So it has all 9 essential, but it also has branched chain, and it also has other. So you can get pretty much the whole amino acid profile in here. 27 servings in this. You get 24 grams of protein in 1 scoop. I think it's very good. It's very fair. I like to have 25, but I can add something else to it to if I want to get that 24, or I'm sorry, over 25. But this is perfectly fine. I have drinking this just with the water, and as far as how much water you put in it, I usually put about 8 ounces of water, 6 to 8 ounces, and it actually calls for 8 ounces of water. So it's right here. If you're concerned, this is also gluten-free. So if you're someone who eats gluten-free, this is definitely gluten-free. You can add this to oatmeal, pancakes, and just different, you can make muffins out of it. I've done all the above, and it makes a really good, it's really good, especially because it's a birthday cake flavor. So it definitely adds something to it, and you're getting a high protein pancake or oatmeal or things like that. So 3 downsides to this supplement. I can't really find a downside to it. So I don't have 3 downsides to it. So I think it's a good supplement. I like it. I've been using BodyTech for well over 4 years, and it's still in my arsenal. Something else too that I don't think I've told you is that I paid about $25 for this. This is the 2-pound. I think about 4 years ago I had the 4-pound or 5-pound that I had done a review on. This is the 2-pound, and so I actually bought this one because since it's the birthday cake, I wanted the 2 pound in birthday cake and then 2 pounds of another flavor. So I like all the flavors. Back 4 years ago, they didn't have a birthday cake flavor. You can only get a certain amount of flavors, but now they have a lot of flavors. So this is a good product. So hopefully this review helped you. Please follow me on Instagram at thisisb_Rob. Also follow me on my website, thisisbrob.com. Join my mailing list there, and you will enter my inner circle. And in my inner circle, I'll send you some helpful tips and resources. Promise I won't spam you. I don't like spam either, but it's things that'll help you. If you join and the things I send you don't help you, you could always unsubscribe. It won't hurt my feelings because I want to be here to help you. But please go to my website, join my mailing list. But also, please like, share, subscribe right here to the YouTube channel. This is B-Rob. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll talk to you later. This is B-Rob.